Hi guys, this is Sunil from Sunil Trading Academy, and today we have the chart of the day, which is Tata Steel. So as you can see on my screen, I have plotted daily chart Tata Steel. Let's perform some analysis and try to find out how this stock can move in coming days. So first of all, we will start plotting a trend line. So as you can see by connecting this low and these lows, I have drawn a trend line. So after plotting this trend line, I can plot another line which is parallel to this, and this is the right way to plot channels on the chart. So as you can see, this chart has been complying with a channelized movement. So the slope of channel is upward. So now we can say this stock has been moving in an upward channel. So the second observation that we have is recently the stock has broke through its horizontal resistance, which was placed around 123.85. Okay, Ji. So now if we look at the other developments on the chart, then at this point, we can say this has formed a rounding bottom, which looks like a cup formation. And on the right side of this cup, we can see a small handle movement. So here we can say this chart is also complying with the criteria of cup and handle pattern. So now we have two outcomes based on these developments. So one is this stock can hit the resistance line of this channel at this point, and this level stands around 139 level. And the second way of measure the target is the depth of this cup. So if we take the distance between the neckline of cup and the bottom, so bottom is somewhere around 104 and the top of the cup is somewhere around 123. So roughly it has the depth of 20 rupees. So if I add 20 rupees into the breakout area, which is around 124, so this stock has the potential to hit 140 and 144 rupees in coming days. So if we look at the supporting indicator, which is MACD, so the behavior on the MACD is also supporting the bullishness. Recently, this indicator has entered into positive territory, and now it has given a bullish cross while both lines are staying in the positive territory, which indicates increased bullish movement. So by looking at all these developments, we can say this stock has the bullish potential and likely to hit 140, 144 levels in coming days. So any dips around 122 and 120 area can be used for buying, and areas around 114 can be used for stop loss for this trade. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more such updates.